Excuse me, is it possible to visit the tower?
You want to go in the tower?
Yes.
Okay, come.
Good morning, Internet. This is Yan. I got up a bit early this morning because I've lost the footage that I made in Mestia. That is supposed to be the beginning of this video, but now I am in Ushguli, so I have to make a new one. Right now I'm in the Svaneti region. Look at this. The Svaneti region is in the northern part of Georgia, very close to Russia. It is one of the most beautiful areas in Georgia. In fact, there are lots of snow-capped mountains, waterfalls, glacier, and sometimes people call this place the Switzerland in Georgia. However, in my opinion, Svaneti region has its own authentic Georgian taste. Look at this. They have a different language, they have their own special dishes such as the kubdali and the traditional settlements with those stone buildings. But after this introduction, let's start the journey in Mestia. I'm going downstairs to meet a lovely grandma who prepares me a huge breakfast. This is my host. She really reminds me of my grandma. Chai. Let me show you my breakfast. A Georgian tea, the porridge, baked potato, Georgian bread, butter, and some fresh vegetables. Oh, and the cheese. Eventually we decided to go for a hike today, and before the hike I'm going to buy some cherries.
Hello.
Hello! And this is smoked cheese.
Oh.
I think this is enough. And now it's the time to buy some waters. I have 2 small bottles, but look at this. You can see those huge beer in plastic bottles. Madloba. To go to the glacier, we have to take one of the taxi or small minivans like that. So I'm going to check the price first and then wait for the other people to join me. This will be our little bus. So in total we pay about 100 lira for a bus, one two-way, go and back. Our communication with the driver is a bit complicated because he doesn't speak English at all, but eventually we said we're going to meet in 3 hours and then come back.
And it's all together like hiking up and going back 5k with an yeah, it's
I don't really know the way, but then we have a German who is super well equipped with everything, cameras, maps, and now I think we're fine. We're going to the glacier. Look at this beautiful landscape. This is so shaky. This is so beautiful. That is the glacier. Probably you can also see a cave over there. And then those are the green mountains, the snow, the gorge, and my friends over there.
They don't understand English. Just really?
Oh, there's a big rock here and probably see all those signs. Here is 2011, August 31st. And probably by that time, the glacier is still at this point, and now it has retreated to that point. Look at that, the big glacier that is covered almost in sand and rock. Here I am in front of the glacier. The soil, this part is very soft, probably because of the melting ice. And this, I hope no rocks falls onto me. It's all ice. I'm afraid to get a bit closer because the rocks, they are keep falling from the cliff. Look at that. But it's very spectacular. That's a glacier. You see, those are the big rocks. It seems as if we can fall down at any moment. The river is also very icy. Very big piece of ice.
You can see inside of this, yeah, here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, nice idea.
Wow. Maybe there's a human.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, or a baby mammoth or something.
Baby mama.
This is also another big chunk of ice.
Wenn du den Daumen drauf legst, läuft es nur runter wegen der Wärme.
road is very beautiful, but also seems dangerous. Maybe the part which collapsed. And we're actually staying in a hostel of a traditional house. Look at this, that's the tower, belonged to the family, and this is the old house. And in the past, almost every family has its own tower. So I would like to ask this family, which is a hostel that I am staying in, if they can let me visit their tower. Excuse me, is it possible to visit the tower?
You want to go in the tower?
Yes.
Okay, come.
Matlova. What is your name? Januki.
Your?
Yen?
Yeah.
Yen? Yes, Yen. Januki. Nice to meet you. So I'm following this little people to visit the tower. You go from here. We're going on the roof. That's how they fix this big stone on the roof. Oh. Wow.
And can you go to up?
I can go up, I can climb up. Right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
And I go to down.
You go down, okay, thanks. This is the tower, it's very simple inside. On the first floor, there are some tools, and this is a very simple ladder. I'm a bit afraid. There is no light inside, but I have my cell phone. Crazy. I'm right now in a very awkward position. I got stuck on the entrance of the second floor. So this is where I am. That is the ladders. Those are the stone walls. Look, it's quite thick. And this is the entrance of the second floor. And there is a ladder over there. Probably it's too dark, you can't see it, but there is a ladder, and then you can go to the third floor. From what I've known, for most of the Svan towers, there are 3 or 5th floor. Each floor has around 4 meters. And in case of the invasion from the other families, in case there is a fight among the family or tribes, all the people in this house will climb up to the tower to protect themselves. And right now, I don't think I will continue because it's a bit risky. I don't want to lose my GoPro. I don't want to lose my cell phone. I don't want to hurt myself. But I think you've already have a rough idea of how this tower looks like inside. Right now we are in front of the church of Lamaria, a church that was built in the 12th century. This is my friend Tatiana, who got frozen right now because there's a dog next to us. So she won't go anywhere. But now I'm going to tell you a bit about the place. That's Ushguli. There are altogether 5 villages and over 200 towers. And we are now at this ancient church. It's a Georgian Orthodox church called Lamaria Church Complex. For religious reason, we're not allowed to enter the church with a backpack, a camera with a flash, or make any noise in the church. So right now I'm with 2 backpacks. Tatiana, she's going to have a look first. Then I will take my turn and go inside. I really like the arrangements of the stones. There are some big stones and some small stones, and the windows are irregular. It's a very old church, but the design of the facade really reminds me of some really expensive Swiss architects. To stay at the church for the sunset, but the weather is very cloudy and rainy. Look at the cloud over there, and yeah, and look at the cross, it's lightened up. This is the end of my Svaneti journey. Thanks for watching. Next time I am going to Kutaisi.